Hi everyone, welcome to Conceptual Thinkers Talk Private Maths Concept with Teacher Ben. So for this video, we'll be touching on PSLE Math 2022. Now this is actually a folding angle question. So let's start. Okay, so this is the diagram that I managed to get and ask around. So let's first interpret the question. So a rectangular piece of paper is folded from two corners. So folded question. So given that the shaded parts are identical, now this is very important, they are identical, so find the value of x. So this is the value of x here. Now this is pretty straightforward, the concept here will be angles. Now I did mention in my previous video that folding question is actually a popular question to be asked in PSLE and also in top school paper. So let's start solving the question. Now there's one additional information that was given by the question, which is this 73 degree. Now, when we handle an angle question that is related to folding, there's something that you need to take note is to identify where is the line of symmetry. So I'm going to show you the line of symmetry. So this is the line of symmetry here. And this is also the line of symmetry. Okay, so why is it important to look at line of symmetry? Because we know that when it's folding and there's a line of symmetry, it will show that the angles will be equal. So in this case, this angle will be 73 degrees. Now, we also told that the shaded parts are identical. So we also know that this part here will be also 73 degree and this part will also be 73 degrees. Okay. Now, they also mentioned about rectangular piece. This means that all the corners will be 90. So this will be 90 degrees and this will be 90 degrees. Now, when we fold it, this means that here will be 90 and here will be 90. Okay, so now my thought process here will be I want to find what is x here. So I do notice that we have a point here, so I'm thinking about using the properties sum of angles at the point. Now to find sum of angle at the point, we need all the angles that actually cover the point, right? So there's only one angle here that we probably need to find, which is here. So this angle here. Okay, so to find this angle, I'll be focusing on this triangle here. Then I notice that I can find this and also can find this angle. So let's call this angle A. Okay, so it's actually an isosceles triangle, right? So let's find these two angles. Then I will be able to find this angle. Let's call this B. Okay, then I can use the angle at the point to find my angle X. So let's find angle A. So angle A will be using sum of angles on a straight line. So I can use 180 degrees minus away 73 degrees minus away 73 degree. So this will give me 34 degree. Okay, so this is 34 and this is 34. So this is 34 degree, this is 34 degree. So I can find my angle B. So using the sum of angle in a triangle. So this is sum of angles on a straight line. So for angle B, I can use 180 degrees minus away 34 degrees minus away 34 degrees. So this will give me 112 degree. So this B will be 112 degree. So this will be 112 degree. Okay, so I'm using sum of angles in a triangle. Okay, finally I can find my angle X. So angle X will be using 360 degree minus away 90 minus away 90. So these two right angle triangle. Sorry, these two right angles minus away 112. Okay, so we can punch in your calculator, then you will get 68 degrees. So I'm using sum of angles. Sorry, using angles at the point. Angles at the point. So with this, we already implement our methodology, and next we have to ensure that we use all the numbers correctly so that you don't have any transfer error. Okay, so ensure that we are finding the correct angle. So this will be the way that we do our inspection. Okay, so with this, we solved the question. So don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel Conceptual Thinkers and follow us on our Facebook Conceptual Thinkers Mathematics and English Hub for the latest update on any upcoming videos. So share your question and put it in the comments box below so that we will be able to get back to you and come up with videos that will help you to learn better. Okay, so that's all for this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.